How are you, students? Welcome back with a new lesson in science. Today we will speak about motions of the earth. Motion of the earth. If you watch the sun for several hours, you will notice that it moves across the sky. If we look to the sky, we will see the sun change its position across the sky. It's moving from east to west, but it's actually that sun moving or the earth is moving, which is moving and which is stop. Does the sun move across the sky? Let us see. The sun only seems to move because the earth is rotating or spinning like a top. The actually motion, the earth moves around itself like this. We have two movements of the earth. The first one moving around itself like this. Earth spins or rotates around its axis. But what does mean axis? What is the Earth's axis? Earth's axis is an imaginary line. It's imaginary lines. We imagine it, not in the natural. It's line, imaginary line that runs from its north pole to south pole. From north pole to south pole. S represent south, N represent north. This is the day and this is the night. This is the face of the earth that opposite to the sun, and this is the other side which is the dark. The sun never sets and here the sun never rises. It means if we see this region, if the earth spins around itself, it will still lie in the dark. And this is region with rotation of the earth around itself also, it will still in the day or the light. So this will be still in the dark or at night, and this is will still in the day. The earth spins at just over 1,000 miles an hour. We can't feel it spinning. Earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours, one day. It means one day, one Earth's day. As a result of this movement, Earth has day and night. So, which movement causes day and night? You must say yes, rotating the Earth around itself or spins the Earth around its axis. And we know that axis is the imaginary line from north to south. As Earth spins, only one side faces the sun. If this is the sun and this is a different faces of the Earth, it means Earth move like this around the sun, and this is movement called revolution. This is the next lesson. We will speak about revolution. We have just one side faces the sun. Yes, this faces will be day and the other face will be night. Day and night, day and night. Just one face will be opposite to the sun and the other face will be in the dark. And because of the earth rotate around itself, so it will be day or night and day, and will change to day and night and so on. Day begins when our part of the world turns to face the sun. When our part of the earth turns away from the sun. So this face opposite to the sunlight with rotating, it will be in the dark like this. The side facing away from the sun has a night time. This is a night time and this is a day time. How do we know that Earth is spinning? We know the Earth is spinning from data gathered by satellite. The first thing approved the spinning of the Earth is a satellite. The data which we collected from satellite give us a reason about spinning of the Earth. Another reason, French scientists created a pendulum that swing back and forth in one direction. Pegs were arranged in a circle around the pole. Over a period of a day, the pegs were knocked down. Earth rotates under the pole. Let us this is picture. This is a pendulum, just a weight tied with a rope and freely to move. It will start from this point and move front and back, but it will still in the same line. No, it will change. It will be go and back and change its direction with changing the Earth or with rotating the Earth. So this is another proof about spinning of the Earth. Another thing, the shape of the Earth is also proof that Earth is spinning. How? Earth is slightly flattened at the north and south pole. It also plugs at the equator. If we look to the equator, it will be plugs, but at north and south, it will be flattened. As Earth spins, Earth's motors is throwing to the edges. It means if the Earth didn't move, so all the north and south and the equator will be at the same. Thank you and goodbye with new lesson.